Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. This is the HUAWEI P50 and now I want to show you how to set up the parental control on your child's device. At the very beginning you need to open App Gallery, then to search, and here you need to find Kidslox application. So type Kidslox. Open Control Screen Time application and choose Install. Wait a while. Fine, now choose Open button. Wait a while, and then you need to... okay, whose phone is it? Parents or child's? In my case I will choose child's phone. And do you already have a Kidslox account? If you have, you need to press yes. If no, create the account, choosing no button. But I have Kidslox account, then I will choose a yes. Allow Kidslox to take photos and record video. Okay, allow, but I don't want scan any QR code. Okay, then choose child's phone and choose no if you have account, and choose already have an account and choose login. Here you need to log into your Kidslox account, so I will log in my account, HardReset.Info 1. And type your password. Then choose login and set up supervising this device. So create name for child's, so type your child's name, Hardy1, and enter your child's age, for example 9 years. Choose the icon for child and choose next step. The setup process may be technically tricky. Okay, just got it, let's go and activate Kidslox like as administrator to child's can be able to remove this application. So choose activate, let's do it, scroll down, find here Kidslox and choose enable button, set up accessibility, scroll down, use installed services, choose Kidslox and enable and tap enable button. Okay, let's do it. Scroll down again, choose Kidslox, enable button. Got it. Kidslox enable button, allow and activate. So choose OK button, allow, and let's go. Now choose permissions button, choose all, and now you need to open all denied permissions and do it allowed permissions. So choose media and files permissions and choose allow access to photos and videos only. Location allow each allow only while in use, or allow all the time. I will use allow all the time button and go back, just got it, and fine. Here I have a Hardy1 device, and now I can supervise this device. I can lock applications, block applications. For example, I can block Snapchat. So now if kids want to open Snapchat, he will see this message. So if your child will want to open Kidslox application, he can ask for more time, more screen time, or He can see the rewards here, but he can't log into supervising. So if child wants to enter Kidslox, he will see pin logs, and he can't supervise his account. It can do only parents. Okay, got it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and goodbye. See you soon.